So, welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. I noticed a couple of weeks ago a video I did just unboxing an order of detailing products did more views than like a 6-month test, comparing them and providing you with a recommendation. So swings or roundabouts, you can look at that negatively or look at that positively. Well, the positive is whenever I get a box of detailing products, I might as well do a video on it, because then it helps pay for these detailing products. And these are products that I'm buying for testing. So hopefully this video will pay for this lot, so that I'm not down on money when I do the test. So everyone's a winner. What have we got in this box, guys? And I've ordered this from Into Detailing, and it's turned up mega rapidly as well. So thank you from Imran. I think I ordered it. No, mate, it can't. I thought I ordered it last night, but it can't be. I think it must be the night before. But very quick considering it's Christmas. Look at that. Oh no, better not put my address on there. It says Donkey Nuts Detailing. That's how I registered with Imran. Oh right, okay, brilliant. So let's go through these products one by one, and I'll tell you why I've ordered them. So we're gearing up to do a tar and glue remover. So I thought I would try them. I've asked my patrons for which products they recommend, you know, and I'm trying to use most of those, not all of them, but the ones that seem to be popular. G-Technic, good brand, credible brand. Apparently this is a good product. So we're going to have that in the lineup. G-Technic tar and glue remover. Oh, I won't break the seal. Just wanted to have a sniff. What else have we got here? I'm gearing up, if you watch some of the other videos that I've done, to doing another ceramic spray comparison. I've got Garage Therapy Sigma. I've got Into Detailing, their new quartz one, Imran's range. There's a Geon one, quick ceramic detailer coming out. And I asked for some other recommendations. Imran said I should check this one out. So Infinity Wax QDX ceramic detail type spray. Yeah, ceramic detail spray. So interested to see what that looks like. What is this? This is for the tar and glue remover. This is Koch EU. Do not hit me with that pronunciation stuff. You don't pronounce it that way. It's Koch. Ooh, that's a funky one. That smells like acetone. Unless it's scented. That smells a bit like acetone. Tar and glue remover. Adhesive stain remover, but it's tar as well. So hopefully this will be good. It's quite cost effective, this one. As with most of the Koch products, you get a litre of it. So that's good. I've bought Chemical Guys Clean Slate. I'm thinking of doing a video comparing strip washes. You know, we know chemicals can't strip protection, and if you could just put a chemical on a car that would strip all protection, it would melt the clear coat off as well. It would need to be that strong to be able to strip in one quick hit, you know. So these strip washes just have a bit more caustic whack in them, and they degrade products a bit better. So I want to compare a load and see how much can you actually strip? You know, how much can you degrade? Certainly with fresh protection, they're freshly applied protection that's properly cured. Jesus, you could be trying to strip for ages with these types of products and fail. The remnants, yes, but it's hard to measure. So we're going to, you know, I'll be getting about 5 or 6 strip washes and checking those out. Well, you've got the Decon wash from Garage Therapy. I've got that. The the Ferrecla G3 strip shampoo, you tell me, is a good one that's very cost effective. We'll get that. We've got Chemical Guys. How many more do you need? Maybe a couple more. So just let me know in the comments. I've bought some Gtechnic panel wipe because I want to do some videos comparing these panel wipes from credible brands. You know, G-Technic are a credible ceramic coating brand that have been going for ages, and they sell you something that's different to just alcohol solvent, and they say that this is better than alcohol solvent, and it uses different chemicals which are stronger and better, and it's worth the money. It's expensive. This is expensive stuff. What I want to do is test it against my homebrew and see if I put a coating down you know, is there any difference? So I'm going to be doing a video on that. And I'm not just going to be using G-Technic. I've bought some Bilt Hamber cleanser fluid. Look, they've got the new bottles now. Interesting. So you've got a seal on it. That's okay. Yeah. So this is a pure hydrocarbon, I think. Panel wipe as well. So we've got two different ones. I think this is still, I don't know, this is a cocktail, but I think it might still be polar nulls, possibly. I need to check all the SDS and all that sort of stuff. But this is definitely hydrocarbon. So there's a difference between the two. I've got, you know, so we'll do an interesting video on all that sort of stuff. And I've got a free microfiber here, I think with Bilt Hamber. Is this a Bilt Hamber microfiber cloth? Don't know. I think so. It's not the best microfiber cloth I've ever seen, but it's far from the worst. It's okay. Yeah, it'd be good. So that's okay. That's it. What other tar and glue removers are going to be in this test? Well, we of course will be doing TARDIS, the one that I've been using for 5 years, which will be a strong front runner, you know, a strong favourite going into it because it's affordable, powerful. But when we construct the test, we need to think about it, because with hydrocarbons and tar and glue removers, there's a trade-off that the stronger you make them, the more damaging they might be to plastic sensitive surfaces on the car. In fact, some of you tell me that tar and glue removers can damage headlights, polycarbonates, other plastics. They can damage cheap eBay clear coats. You know, you get the old acrylic lacquers or cheap lacquers, sorry, not necessarily acrylics, but whatever. Sometimes you can melt those off with tar and glue. So there's 2 tar and glues. I've also got somewhere kicking around here, the Carchem one from the other day. So there's 3. I've got TARDIS is 4, and there'll probably be about 4 more products from credible brands. I think I'll get the Geon tar and glue. I think there was a lot of people were saying Auto Bright Direct was a good one that should be in there, and a couple of others. So we've got about 8. And that's enough. If you can't get a good tar and glue remover from a lineup of 8, and those brands are credible, we'll do the Auto Glim one as well, because that might be a little bit milder, a little bit safer. Gets criticised sometimes for being not as potent as the other ones, but there's a reason perhaps that it's not as potent. Very easy to just go and get a more potent chemical, isn't it? So a lot of considerations with all this. But if we've got like Auto Glim in there, you've got one of the largest ones. If you've got Geon, you've got the Korean bases covered. If you've got Gtechnic, you've got like the ceramic pedigree. Carchem give you like the what's the word? Like they're a wholesale. What's the word? They make products for people, don't they? So their own line is very affordable and stuff like that. But they're very credible. Koch, one of the largest German. You get the German chemical engineering from a huge company. So very credible. We'll have a very credible lineup, as always. And if you can't get a good one out of those 8, then you TARDIS, Autosmart, again, the trade-focused brand. So we've got a good lineup. That's my detailing haul for this video. Lots of interesting content to come, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Tell me what products you think you would like to see in terms of strip washes. Maybe in terms of ceramic detailers. Maybe in terms of panel wipes that you like. And maybe in terms of tar and glue. Very limited, guys, because I'll probably get thousands of replies. Or not thousands, but you know what I mean. I can't go and follow every single recommendation. And we can't have like 30 products in a test, because you just can't cope. But I look at the popular ones and the most recommended ones, and I try and fit those in. So that's the aim of what we do on the channel. So loads more tests coming for 2021. Do not forget to subscribe. Get yourself onto the Forensics Detailing channel. Subscribe to the Forensics Unplugged channel. Check me out on Instagram on @ForensicsDetailing. Subscribe to the Forensics Unplugged channel if I didn't already say that. We're on Facebook as well. Click like and follow the Facebook page. It's a plug-a-thon. And have a wonderful Christmas and New Year. And I'm going to go straight into a video. Sometimes we do stuff not on detailing. I'm going to put this onto the Forensics Unplugged channel, where we're talking about this book, a very old book. And if you're looking at this and you've not seen it, thinking, what the hell is that funky picture on the front? This book is one of the most magical things ever. It's an absolute delight. And I read it probably over 30 years ago, maybe even 35 years ago as a young kid. And it's a riddle where a treasure was buried in the ground somewhere in England. And within this book, if you use your eyes, was the location of the treasure. It was a very tough riddle. Magical. Sometimes I get passionate about other things. Go and see me on the Unplugged channel. I'm going to shoot a video on this right now. Masquerade it's called, by Kit Williams. Over and out.
Holding on to what I knew, but the moment's gone. Where was I?